Hi everyone. Today, we're here to explore an amazing update in our swag shop that empowers you to craft a more personalized experience. This update will allow you to upload logos or images to our swag products multiple times and save the ones you like as templates so you can trace them back at any time. Let's delve into the details. To get started, navigate to the Swag Shop tab and select any item you like. Click here and upload a logo or an image you wish to be printed on the product. After the logo is uploaded, you can save it as a template for future reference. You can have as many templates as you like. Please note, there are few design tools such as Transparent Background Tool and Color Inverter Tool you can play around with for even more customized experience. Simply click on the tools you want to use before uploading the image or logo and enjoy the results. That's it. Can't wait to see how these updates will help you create a perfect swag campaign for your employees, clients, or partners. Thank you for watching, and until next time.